From know-it-all to learn-it-all, building a growth culture. What if the biggest limiter of performance on your team isn't capability, but mindset? The core idea in Mindset, Carol Dweck reveals a powerful truth. People operate from either a fixed mindset, believing ability is static, or a growth mindset, believing ability can be developed. Prove it versus improve it. Why this matters for leaders. As a leader or coach, your mindset doesn't just impact you, it shapes your entire team. Because teams don't just adopt strategies, they adopt the beliefs behind them. Creating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is built on 3 beliefs: that skills can improve, effort drives mastery, and feedback accelerates growth. This isn't motivational, it's biological. The brain changes with practice. It adapts. It grows. Neural pathways forming, simple animation, repetition, strengthening connections. Leaders don't just manage performance, they shape how people think about performance. You build a growth mindset when you praise effort, strategy, and progress, not just results. Normalize struggle as part of improvement. Treat feedback as fuel, not judgment. The challenge? Successful fixed mindsets. But the hardest mindset to shift is the successful one. Top performers can fall into a fixed mindset. This works. Why change? I'm already good. But what got them here won't get them to the next level. When coaching these individuals, don't challenge their success. Expand their potential. Shift the conversation from how are you performing to how are you growing? Because growth is the only sustainable advantage. Dweck also highlights a hidden risk: performance avoidance. When people tie their identity to being good, they avoid situations that might prove otherwise. They play it safe, avoid feedback, stay in their comfort zone. Not because they lack drive, but because they fear losing their identity. Your job as a leader is to make it safe to grow. To create an environment where trying is valued more than knowing, learning is rewarded more than winning, and effort is seen as strength, not weakness. To build a growth culture, start here. Praise the process, effort, strategy, and improvement. Redefine failure. It's data, not identity. Use yet. You haven't mastered this yet. Model vulnerability. Show your own learning and growth. Coach for thinking, not just outcomes. Reward experimentation, even when it doesn't work. Because culture isn't what you say, it's what you consistently reinforce. In the end, great leaders don't create teams that prove themselves. They create teams that improve themselves. Build learners, not just performers. Growth isn't optional. It's the strategy.